Welcome to the Ultimate General Knowledge Quiz. You'll face 50 fun and tricky questions from school subjects and everyday life. Think fast, test your memory, and see how much you really know. Good luck! What is the capital of France? The capital of France is Paris. Which planet has the most moons in the solar system? Jupiter has the most moons in the solar system. How many stripes are on the flag of the United States? Correct, 13. Which scientist developed the theory of evolution by natural selection? Yes, by Charles Darwin. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? This is the pancreas. In which year did the Titanic sink? It happened in 1912. Which element has the chemical symbol Na? The chemical symbol Na stands for sodium. What is the smallest country in the world by area? The smallest country in the world is Vatican City. What does Wi-Fi stand for? Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. Who was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize? The first woman to win a Nobel Prize was Marie Curie. Which U.S. state is known as the Sunshine State? Correct, Florida. What is the name of the world's largest rainforest? The Amazon rainforest. Which country invented paper? Paper was invented in China. Which country is the largest producer of coffee in the world? Brazil. In which year did World War II end? World War II ended in 1945. What is the main language spoken in Argentina? Spanish. Which fruit has varieties called Cavendish and plantain? Are varieties of banana. In 1969. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? The freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Correct is diamond. What is the speed of light in kilometers per second? The speed of light is about 300,000 kilometers per second. What was the first full-color Disney cartoon? Flowers and trees. How many hearts does an octopus have? Correct answer. 3. Yuri Gagarin. How many bones are in the adult human body? Correct. 206. What is the largest mammal on Earth? The largest mammal on Earth is the blue whale. What is the process by which plants make their own food? Correct. Photosynthesis. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? He universal donor blood type is 0 negative. What is the fastest land animal? Correct. Cheetah. What part of the human body controls balance? Balance is controlled by the inner ear. How many legs does a spider have? A spider has 8 legs. Which ocean is the warmest? The Indian Ocean. What is the only mammal capable of true flight? The only mammal that can truly fly is the bat. Which bird can fly backwards? Is the hummingbird. Which desert is the coldest on Earth? The coldest desert on Earth is the Gobi Desert. Which part of the cell contains genetic material? In the nucleus. Which ocean has the Mariana Trench, the deepest place on Earth? The Mariana Trench is located in the Pacific Ocean. Which country has the most volcanoes in the world? Is Indonesia. Which was the first living creature sent into space? The first living creature in space was a dog named Laika. What element does a diamond consist of? Diamonds are made of pure carbon. Which part of the Earth is the hottest naturally occurring place? Death Valley, USA. What is the national flower of Japan? Cherry blossom. Which scientist proposed the 3 laws of motion? By Isaac Newton. Which blood cells help our body fight infections? White blood cells help fight infections. What was the first country to grant women the right to vote? New Zealand. Who wrote the novel 1984? By George Orwell. Which vitamin is produced when human skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin D. Who formulated the periodic table of elements? By Dmitry Mendeleev. Which organ filters blood in the human body? The organ that filters blood is the kidney. What particle carries a negative charge? Is the electron. Who will like and subscribe to the channel after this video? I am. Thank you for watching. It's you who inspire me to keep creating. Show your support if you enjoyed the video. Likes, subscriptions. Stay tuned to the channel. More entertaining and educational content is coming. Thank you, my friends.